Good morning, kids. Welcome back to your computer session. But before that, we start. I hope all of you are keeping well. Stay safe at your home, and most importantly, stay healthy. Now, you all know that we are over with the two parts of the computer before your first assessment. Now, let's move on to the next part, that is the monitor. A monitor is like a television or a TV screen. When we type on the keyboard, the letters can be seen on the monitor. A monitor is an output device that is used to display the text, picture, video. The text or the picture or the video we see on the monitor is called the soft copy because the information is displayed here for a temporary period of a time. Based on the technology, they can be categorized into three types. We have the first part as a cathode ray tube, that is CRT. CRT monitor is an old type of a monitor. These monitors are heavyweight, they occupy more space and they have a high power consumption. The next one is LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD monitors are compact, lightweight, and they do not consume much desk space. The next one is a LED, that is light emitting diode. LED monitors are little expensive than CRT and LCD. This type of a monitors display sharper images and they use less power. Next part of the computer is CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit is called the brain of the computer. It is the thinking part of the computer. Just like your brain controls every part of your body, similarly, CPU also controls each and every part of the computer. Let's learn something about the functions of the CPU. The main function of the CPU is to control the functions performed by the other components. Because it is a central processing unit, so everything passes through it has to be processed. CPU is used to process instructions, perform calculations. It carries out the basic instructions operated by the computer. If you talk about the speed of the CPU of a CPU is measured in megahertz or gigahertz. The faster is the speed of the CPU chip, the faster the computer will operate. CPU receives the instructions from the input unit. It performs the operations on the data and sends the result to the output unit of the computer. CPU has two subunits. You can call them as arithmetic logical unit, that is ALU, and the next one is control unit, that is CU. Let's come to arithmetic logic unit. It is used to perform all the logical and the mathematical calculations within the computer. Next is a control unit. It is a part of the CPU that is responsible for controlling all the processing operations within the computer. Children, I suppose these two parts of the computer are being clear to you. Let's move on to the assignment related to this session. Mention the date as 29th of April 2020. Give the heading as assignment number 4. Question number 1. What is the use of a monitor? Question number 2. Write down the classification of the monitors along with their uses. Question number 3. What is the function of a CPU? Question number 4. Difference between arithmetic logic unit ALU and control unit CU. Children, write down the answers to these questions in your computer notebooks in a neat and clean handwriting. I hope the topics covered in this session has been made clear to you. That's all for this session. Thank you.